Dun, 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 dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. All right, what's good, AR-16 family? You know, just got out of the shower, looking a little crusty. Coronavirus killing us all, but on the bright side, I got a little banger for all y'all. Watch, let's see the heat. Uh, oh, what's in the box? What's in the fucking box? Ooh, I know y'all peeped. I know y'all peeped. All right, just came today. You know, AR-16's on top of the heat. So giveaway. You know, let's see. First comment, you could get a Supreme sticker. Psych, boy, I'm keeping all them. But what you guys all came to witness, the new Supreme Air Force One collabs. You know, let's see what color your boy got. What do you think AR-16 would get? All right, bro. How the hell is this box opening? Oh, okay. Fuck, bro. I wish I had something to. Okay. All right. Crispy box. Supreme on the box. Y'all fuck with it. Oh, black Air Force One Supreme, bruh. You know, AR-16 he had to cop the forces. Y'all see right there on the plate, Air Force One Supreme. You know your boy had to cop. All right, camera focus. Oh, baby. Niggas are getting stomped on at school. No cap. Smells like trouble. Shit. Alright. You know. Pair 1. Pair 2. Oh, okay. Hello. By the way, my first Air Forces, so you know, I had to get the first Air Forces had to be a banger. You dig? All right. You know, I got the Supreme laces. You know, I'm about to be dripping in my Jella. Sadly, no poncho. I heard I was gonna supposed to get a poncho, but you know, my boy was capping apparently. All right. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. AR-16, signing out.